Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.5 up to question number 5th beta. Today we will do the remaining question. So look at the question number 6. In the question number 6, a car covers a distance of 22.2 km in 1.2 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Okay. So what we have given beta distance covered by car in 1.2 liter petrol is equal to 22.2 kilometer, and we have to calculate the distance covered by car in 1 liter of petrol beta. 1.2 is greater than 1, and as you know, if you know the amount of a greater quantity and you have to calculate the amount of a smaller quantity, in that case you have to divide. Okay, so here we also divide 22.2 kilometer by 1.2. okay, so this is equal to 22.2 by 1.2. okay, and you know that in case of decimal how we have to divide. The division of 22.2 by 1.2 is equal to 222 by 10 divided by 12 by 10, because in both the numbers only one digit present after decimal. So this is equal to 222 by 10, division will become multiplication and the second number will be converted into its reciprocal. From here this will become 10 1 ja 10 and 10 1 ja 10. 6 is the highest common factor between both 222 and 12. 6 2 ja 12 and this is equal to 3 7, or you can say 37. So the result is 37 by 2 and that is equal to 18.5 kilometer. So this is the solution of your 6th question beta. Okay, I hope you will get it, and your final answer is 18.5 kilometer. It means the car covers 18.5 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. This is the solution of your 6th question. I hope you will get it beta. Now let us do the question number 7th. Look at the 7th question. How many glasses of 250 milliliter can be filled from 7.25 liter of juice container? In this question beta, we have given this amount of juice in any container. Okay, so total amount of juice is equal to 7.25 liter, and the capacity of one glass is 250 milliliter. Okay, here we have to calculate the number of glasses. So number of glasses is equal to total amount of juice by capacity of one glass. Okay, so look at here, total amount of juice is 7.25 liter, but the capacity is given into milliliter. So firstly we have to convert this 7.25 liter into milliliter, and we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This implies that 7.25 liter is equal to 7.25 multiplied by 1000 milliliter, and this is equal to 2050 milliliter. Now we are able to solve our question by division. Okay, so the number of glasses is equal to total amount of juice, and that is equal to 7250 milliliter divided by capacity of one glass, and the capacity of one glass is 250. So the number of glasses is equal to 0 to 0 cancel, and this will become 725 by 25. When you divide 725 by 25, you will get 29 as your answer, and the number of glasses is equal to 29. This is your answer. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. I hope you will get it. Now we will do the question number 8th. Look at the 8th question beta. A hostel has a stock of 97.2 kg wet flour. If it uses 1.8 kg of wet flour daily, in how many days flour be fully consumed? Okay, we have given the total amount of wet flour, and we have given the consumption per day, and we have to calculate the number of days in which the fully wet flour is consumed. Okay, so for this, total amount of flour is equal to 97.2 kg. Okay, and consumption of flour per day is equal to 1.28 kg. Consumption of flour per day is equal to 1.8 kg. So the number of days is equal to amount of flour divided by consumption of flour per day. Okay, so number of days is equal to 97.2 kg divided by 1.8 kg, and this is equal to 972 by 10 divided by 18 by 10. Okay, so this is equal to 972 by 10, division will become multiplication, and this will become 10 by 18. 10 1 ja 10 and 10 1 ja 10. When you divide 972 by 18, you will get answer is equal to 54 days. So the total amount of flour is consumed in the hostel in 54 days. Okay, I hope you will get it. This is the solution of your question number 8th beta. I hope you will get it. The remaining question, that is your 9th and 10th question beta, are same as like 6th, 7th, 8th. Try to do them by yourself, and if there is any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in the live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.